Hello and welcome. Let us have a look at how does CBT help. Cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT is most commonly used to treat anxiety and depression, but it is useful in the treatment of all mood disorders and addictions. CBT will help you deal with your problems in a more positive way so you can overcome them completely. Take for example, anxiety. This is a natural emotion you feel time and again. The therapist conducting cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT will focus on examining the relationship between their patient's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. They explore the patterns of thinking that lead the patient to self-destructive feelings and behaviors. They know that thoughts and feelings are the main contributory factors to actions. Therapists will try to find out about the patient's belief systems because this is very powerful in directing thoughts, either positively or negatively. If patients with mental illness or problems are helped to modify their patterns of thinking, it improves their coping mechanisms, whether they are faced with anxiety, phobia, addictions, or other problems. Thank you.